Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This powerful platform helps businesses connect with customers across various channels, delivering personalized experiences at every touchpoint. It centralizes customer data, enabling marketers to understand their audience deeply and craft highly relevant communications. You can manage email campaigns, mobile messages, social media interactions, and web experiences all from one integrated system, driving stronger customer relationships and business growth. Let's dive into some core modules. Email Studio is your hub for crafting beautiful, personalized emails with capabilities like /B testing and advanced segmentation. Journey Builder is where the magic happens, allowing you to visually map out and automate customer journeys based on their behaviors and data. For mobile engagement, Mobile Studio provides tools for sending SMS messages, push notifications, and even group messaging, ensuring you reach customers on their preferred devices. Crafting effective customer journeys starts with understanding your audience. First, map out the customer's path, from initial awareness to post-purchase engagement. Then, leverage your customer data to personalize every interaction, ensuring messages are relevant and timely. Utilize decision splits within Journey Builder to create dynamic paths, guiding customers based on their real-time behaviors, like opening an email or making a purchase, leading to more impactful experiences. To maximize your marketing cloud efforts, always segment your audience into precise groups. This ensures your messages resonate deeply. Regularly monitor key performance indicators such as email open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to integrate Marketing Cloud with other Salesforce clouds, like Sales and Service, to create a truly unified customer view and deliver a consistent, exceptional experience across all touchpoints.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.